So why should you have paint protection film installed on your vehicle? PPF, as it's commonly referred to, is currently the best available protection against rock chips, scratches, scuffs, and minor impacts. It is a permanent physical protection against environmental damage to your vehicle's paint. It has little to no orange peel, so it adds a high gloss finish. Its self-healing properties will repair any unsightly scratches. And lastly, maintenance is a breeze with no need to worry about damaging the paint when wiping off or drying your vehicle. It's even easier maintenance if you've had a ceramic coating applied to the PPF. PPF is usually applied to painted surfaces, but most glossy surfaces can be protected as well, such as select interior pieces. Piano black lacquer, as an example, is notorious for easily scratching, so you can use PPF to protect that. Each vehicle's PPF install is specifically tailored as the kit is modified to properly fit the vehicle to detailed solution standards in order to ensure precision results. When PPF is properly installed, there should be no stretch marks, no dust marks, no contaminants, or any other imperfections. Our team methodically installs each piece of film with care. If it doesn't look right, we replace it immediately. Wrapping and tucking edges is also another essential technique that we use to ensure a full, proper protection. Should you want your vehicle to have a satin finish, we do also offer a stealth PPF option. With PPF, you have the peace of mind to know that you have the best protection available, and your vehicle will look better than ever and stay looking that way for a long time. Here at Detailed Solutions, we strive to provide the best environment for our staff and professional installers to have the time they need to complete each job properly. As a result, our team achieves the highest standards. For more information, check us out at detailedsolutions.ca. Get your car protected at Detailed Solutions.